number stories. Heaven is ready to go. She's getting ready for number stories. Beautiful. So my lovely teachers, we're going to do our number story chant. Utica, this is the same chant that we always do. You can do it on the other side of your camera. Awesome. Tomorrow I'm going to teach you how to do this so you can do it with me. It's time for number stories. Go ahead. Number stories. Cha, 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 cha. Beautiful. I see that Jack did his chant. I see that Jackson tried to do his chant. Awesome job. My expectation is that your hands are folded and you should be sitting up nice and,
Here we go.
And that you should be, I got kicked off. And that you should be sitting up nice and tall. Your hands are like this and sitting up so I can read you the number story. Beautiful. Touch your nose if you love gummy bears. Let me see who's touching their nose. Wow. I see Wyatt touching his nose. Elijah's telling me he loves gummy worms. Ooh, I see that.
Jacob.
Heaven is telling me she loves gummy worms. Awesome
Harry
job.
loves them.
4, 3, 2, 1. Well, I bought 3 gummy worms, but that's not all. Miss Jackson gives me 16 gummy worms. But then Miss Reagan gave me 7 more gummy worms. And after I got all of these gummy worms, I was trying to figure out, I wonder how many gummy worms do I have now? Let me read you my problem. You should be using your Chris Pointer finger and pointing as I read with you. I'm looking to see who's putting their Chris Pointer finger on the word I.
I see some friends still trying to find the page too.
Oh, I see some friends that have pencils. Make sure, Lauren, your pencil is down. Aaron, your pencil is down. Because right now we're reading the problem because I'm looking to see who's going to be my mathematician to repeat the problem for me. Parents, the problem is I bought 3 gummy worms. Miss Jackson gave me 16 gummy worms. Miss Reagan gave me 7 gummy worms. How many gummy worms do I have all together? Ocean, fold your hands. Beautiful. Scholars, I'm going to read it. Parents, read along with me if you can. Also, if you don't have this in front of you, I would write it on a scrap paper just for the sake of time. I'm going to start reading it now. I bought 3 gummy worms. Miss Jackson gave me 16 gummy worms. Miss Reagan gave me 7 gummy worms. How many gummy worms do I have all together? Let me read it again. You should be whispering or saying it to yourself at home. Eileen, pencil down. This page should be located in the math packet after the math section. So this is in the Monday packet after the math section. Let me read it again. I bought 3 gummy worms. Miss Jackson gave me 16 gummy worms. Miss Reagan gave me 7 gummy worms. How many gummy worms do I have all together? I'm looking for 3 rock stars to repeat, 2 rock stars to repeat my number story for me. Who can repeat my number story for me? Elijah from Oneonta. Elijah H, go ahead.
You had 3 gummy worms.
Beautiful.
And then there was 16 more. And then there was 16 more. And then
Miss Reagan gave me.
And then Miss Raven gave you 7 more.
And we want to know
How many
I don't know how many are there all together.
Good job, Elijah. Say, way to go, me.
Oh, me.
Nice job, Elijah. Looking for another mathematician. Scholars, you should be evaluating As scholars are repeating my number store, let me see who has their thumb up to repeat it again. Isabella from Utica, go ahead. I bought
3 gummy worms.
Beautiful, keep going. Miss Jackson gave me
Jackson gave me 6 gummy worms. 16 gummy worms.
good fix. We keep going.
Ray gave me 7 gummy worms. How many gummy worms do I have all together?
Awesome job. You should be evaluating, seeing if you are agreeing with Isa. I'm looking to see. Elijah's agreeing. Nice job, Elijah. H from Oneonta. Heaven agrees. Isa, say, way to go, me.
Way to go, me.
Nice job. So if I have bought 3 gummy worms, then Miss Jackson gives me 16 gummy worms, and Miss Reagan gives me 7 gummy worms. I want to know, you're showing me with your thumb as well. Will I have more than 16 gummy worms showing me, or less than 16 gummy worms showing me in 5? I should see your thumb. 4, good job. I see your thumb. Good, Eileen, I see your thumb.
Thanks, Mohammed.
Where's your thumb? Arohi, where's your thumb? Layla, where's your thumb? Am I going to have more than 16
or less?
Good job, Jack. I see your thumb. I want to know, who can tell me why? Why will I have more? Why will I have more? I'm going to unmute you for that. Go ahead. Why am I going to have more than 16? I think it's more because
I think it's more because 3 and 8 and 7 is bigger number.
Ooh, make a bigger number. What do you guys think? Arohi's evaluating. She agrees. Valentina agrees. Who else? I see Sarah agreeing. Awesome. So I'm going to give you 8 minutes. Think about your strategy. Think about how you're going to solve. My timer's on my camera. Go ahead.
Breakout rooms are about to start.
Thank you.
Yep.
I'm looking to see some strategies. Carrie, let's go. Put that pencil down to your paper. Ooh, I see Joella thinking about those numbers. Let's see who's gonna have some good drawings. Gemily, go ahead. What happened?
I didn't find the page. I don't have the page to have the numbers for it.
Okay, Gemily, what I want you to do is I want you to go to a page with no words on it. And I want you to write your answer on that page. And I'm gonna tell you your numbers, okay? Okay, Gemily? Okay.
Luella's working.
Go to a page that has no pictures on it.
Nice work, Omar. Keep it up.
Tell me when you're there.
Just flip all the way to the very back page, to the very last number of your packet.
All the way to the back, Gemily. Okay. I had 3 gummy worms. Miss Jackson gives me 16 gummy worms, and Miss Reagan gave me 7 gummy worms. How many do I have all together? I bought 3. Miss Jackson gave me 16. Miss Reagan gave me 7. How many all together? Joshua, put the toy down, sit up, and do your math. Let's go. Joshua Torres, sorry. Wow, I see Valentina solving. Isabel is solving from... For days working, you have 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Wow, I'm excited to see who's done with their strategy. Once you are done with your strategy, I want you to put your paper up so I can see your drawing.
Si no encuentran el papel, pueden usar cualquier papel que tengan por ahí.
Miss Frias.
Nice job, Joldani.
Wow, Ethan, nice job, Jack. Keep writing, Ryan. You got this.
Husband putting up his paper. Jay showing his paper.
Oh, Eileen put up her paper, so it did Jordani.
Jordani put up his paper. Let me see.
Ryan's got his paper up.
Good job.
Oh, Ryan,
Yeah, Ryan.
really, really nice work. Ryan has a good strategy, Miss Parada, for number 1 strategy.
Beautiful, right?
Hugo has his paper up, so does Osmond, Carrie.
Good, Ocean. Good, Alpha. Good, Carrie. Oh my. Give me 1 second, scholars. My battery is done.
Here, let's see it. Hold it up a little higher, Carrie.
Carrie, put your paper up. 2 hands.
Here, hold it like this. With both your hands. There we go.
There you go.
Try to keep it still. Ooh. Almost.
Nice work. Okay, Carrie, she also got 16 more.
Yeah, I'm having trouble seeing. Good, Joella. Nice job.
Adrian, can you hold your paper up?
A little closer to
John,
the
move it back a little bit.
Closer to the screen.
Good job.
Okay.
Nice, Ian. I see your work. Good job.
Let me see Miriam's.
Good, Osman.
Ooh, Sarwa, let me see your work. Why can't I see?
Move it closer to the camera. Oh, okay.
Be careful, Jay. I also had, you're missing a number there.
Sarwa, can you write your answer at the bottom?
Yeah, guys, make sure you have your answers on your paper, not just the bubbles if you're drawing with a bubble.
Sarwa, I want you to think if your answer is getting bigger or smaller.
Good. Freda Lisa's still working. Peyton, what was your answer? Let me see your final answer. Ooh, nice job. I like those neat circles. Shout out to you. Esteban, let me see your work. Keep going. Good job, John. I do see it. Better, John. Nice job. You have 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
Ooh,
Good,
man.
Aisha.
Wow, man. Miriam also has a number 1 strategy. She would be a great one to share out.
So Miriam counting by ones.
Yep, Miriam from my class.
Okay, Miriam cancel. And Ryan had that same strategy as well, correct?
Yep, so we can have him add on.
Okay,
Let's
beautiful.
check out Joella.
I think she did the same strategy as I did when I did it with my cubes counting by ones.
Yep.
Yeah.
Nice job, Joella.
Ryan and Miriam from your class.
And then you could probably model the rest of the strategies.
Yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna do. Thank you, ladies, for keeping an eye out for strategies. I really do appreciate it.
Valentina, I'll highlight you. Let's see, Valentina. Hold it up. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, Valentina, she got 7 more. Even 7 more than that. You got to keep going.
Let me see, Adrian Francisco, keep going.
Let's see, Alpha. Alpha's holding his up.
1 minute and 30 seconds left, parents and scholars.
Nice, Alpha.
Jordani, did you finish? If you finished, Jordani, your hand should be folded. There you go. Nice job. Good, Heaven. Nice job. I like that neat work. Ooh, Aaron, I see those cubes. Shout out to you.
Jack also wants to show. Let's see. Oh, Jack, hold it up so we can see it, buddy.
Aaron, look at those numbers again. I want you to think about a different strategy.
Yep, double check that, Jack.
Okay? You did a really good job. 30 seconds left.
Ian, I'll highlight you. Hold on.
Miss Prada, can you put the problem back on the screen? Some people don't have the paper.
Yes. We'll do right now. Wait, it's on my screen.
I'll spotlight
Oh,
it.
yours is not pinned. Never mind.
I'll spotlight it.
I'm sorry. Thank you, Miss Fallon.
Yep.
7 seconds left, scholars and parents. Beautiful, putting your pencils down in 5. Let me see. 4, good. Aaron put his things down. 3, your hand should be folded. I see Eileen finishing up. 2, Heaven's eyes are tracking the screen as she's supposed to. Nice job, Valentina. You look like a first grader over there with those headphones. Let me see who else looks amazing. Wow, Layla. Gemily, 1 minute. Wow, Forde is ready to go, looking like a mathematician. All right, Miriam. From Oneonta. And then Ryan, you can help her out. So make sure, Ryan, you're helping out your friend and you're listening. Miriam, I'm trying to look for you. I want you to share your strategy and how you solve the problem.
I'll spotlight her video for you. Oh,
Yeah,
she's
I'm trying to look for her, but I can't find
she's
her.
gone.
Oh, okay. Ryan, I'm gonna come to you
No,
now.
she's here. Miss Prada, she's here.
She's here?
Yep.
Can you spotlight her? I'm having trouble finding
She's spotlight.
She's spotlighted.
her. I see my things.
Miriam, go ahead. Explain your strategy, my love.
I can't hear her.
You know, I'm trying to click unmute, but it's not working.
Yeah, and my spotlight is just showing me my word problem.
Hold on, Miriam. Hold on. I'm trying to unmute you. There we go. Keep going, Miriam. Go ahead. Oh. Hold on. She's back to muted. Just make sure is anybody else trying to unmute her at the same time?
No, I'm just trying to look for her because it's only showing me my paper. I can't see her spotlight. I don't know why.
Okay, I'm gonna try going to Ryan. Okay, Ryan's worked. Oh, and now Miriam's worked. Miriam, go ahead. We can hear you now.
First, I did 3 circles and then 16 more and then 17 more.
Okay,
And
hold on.
I counted all
Miriam,
together.
Miriam, 1 second. Give me step by step so I can draw it for your friends. Scholars, as I'm writing this down, I want you to think about the 2 strategies I'm going to put on my paper. I want you to think about how it's the same and how it's different. I want you to think about how it's the same and how it's different. Isabella from Lehman, I want to know, what are you thinking about? Hold on, Miriam. Miriam, hold on.
First, I make 3 circles.
Uh-huh.
And then I put a line.
Uh-huh.
And then I made 16 more.
Beautiful.
Shout out to Elijah H, who's so focused. Ryan, you look so fantastic.
Keep
Valentina,
going, Miriam.
ocean style.
And then I made 7 more.
Good. 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good, Miriam. Then what?
And then I counted it all together.
Count them. Go ahead, Miriam.
1,
Count them, Miriam. 1.
And then I counted it all together.
Go ahead. Count with me.
And
1.
then I counted it all together.
Okay, Miriam. So count them. So 1,
2,
2,
3,
good.
4,
5, 6,
Uh-huh.
7,
Keep going.
8,
Uh-huh.
9,
Uh-huh.
10,
Going.
11,
Beautiful.
12,
Going.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and then 27.
Ooh, I stopped at 26. Double check that, Miriam. Do you want to double check it? Let's count again. So make sure you're being careful with your circles. Count with me. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
1, 2,
6,
3, 5, 7, 8,
8,
9, 10,
Nice Jackson Jackson.
12,
11, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22,
22,
Osman, come back and have a seat.
24, 25.
26.
So Miriam, hold on, Miriam, in a complete sentence, how many gummy worms do I have all together? I have
26
26 what?
gummy worms.
Good. I have 26 gummy worms. And Miriam, what would be my equation or my number sentence that goes with this?
Your equation is 3 plus 16 plus 7 equals 26.
Good job. And I'm going to put a box around the 26 because that was my total or my sum once I put them all together. Miriam, say, way to go, me.
Yes.
Awesome. So I'm going to show you another strategy that I want you to think of when you're solving. So watch me. If one of you ladies can mute Miriam for me, that would be beautiful. And I would show you. Awesome. I'm going to show you another way. I saw that I had a 7 and a 3. And if I'm thinking about number routines when I was Miss Rita, and I was thinking about the number 10, I know that when I put 7 and 3 together, it makes a special number. It makes 10. So I did this. Watch me. Thinking about what I did, how the strategies are the same and how they are different. So first I'm going to put 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to add 7. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know that when I put 7, 3, and 7 together, it makes 10. So right away, I know that 7 and 3 together make 10. So I'm going to put 16 more circles because that's my last number, and I'm going to count on from my special number 10. Watch as I do that. I'm going to draw 16 circles first.
Lottie Ellis, get it
1,
off.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Shout out
8,
to Alpha sitting in
9,
silent scholar paying
10. Nice
attention.
job, Alpha. 11, 12,
Shout out
13,
to Eon too and Layla.
14, 15. Nice job, Ian. 16.
Good fix, Ocean.
Now I'm going to count from 10. I know that this is 10, so I don't have to go all the way from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and keep going. I'm going to say 10, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, scholars, 14, 15, 16,
Wow, Valentina, look at that focus.
18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
Nice job, Ethan.
26. Awesome. Who can tell me very quickly what was my total or how many gummy worms do I have all together with the thumbs up? Let me see who was tracking me and tracking those strategies. Ooh, right away I saw Aaron's thumb go up. Aaron Disla, go ahead.
Our number is 26.
So in a complete sentence, can you tell me how many gummy worms do I have all together?
I have 26 gummy worms.
Nice job with the complete sentence. Shout out to you, Aaron. And what would be my number sentence that I did? What number sentence would I write down, Aaron?
You are gonna write down 3 plus 16 plus 7 equals 26.
Think
Anna,
about
make
my
sure you're
numbers.
sitting up nice and tall
Think
so we
about my
can see
numbers
you.
and what I did first. What numbers did I put together?
Plus 16 equals 26.
Yeah, because I already knew that 7 and 3 made 10. So I counted on from 10 to get to my answer. And I said 10 plus 16 equals 26 because I put those two numbers together. Shout out to you, Aaron. Your thinking job was to think about what was the same. Eileen, put it down. What was the same and what was different? Who can tell me what strategies were the same? Very quickly, we have 30 seconds. What strategy was the same? Who can tell me quickly with a thumbs up? I'm trying to look. Who has a thumbs up? Who can tell me what strategy was the same? Miriam Kamara, go ahead. What was the same?
What's the same is that
Is there anything that's the same?
that they have the same number.
Okay, I did use the same amounts. I used 3, 7, and 16. That is very true. Who can tell me something that they use differently? What did I do different? Think about those strategies. What did I do different? Show me a thumbs up. Let me see. I'm coming around. Ooh,
Maybe call on Layla. She had her thumb up for a while.
I don't see her. If you can unmute her, Miss Boo, that would be.
Oh yeah, Layla, I'm gonna unmute you so you can answer Miss Prada's question. I unmuted her.
Thank you, Miss Boo. Layla, what did I do different? How are the strategies different?
Oh,
First, you did different. First you made a 10 with 3 and 7.
Good, nice job. Yeah, I put my numbers together and I put 3 and 7 together to make 10. So I want to know with the silent thumb up. Thank you, Layla. Kiss your brain. I want to know what strategy are you going to use next time? Who can tell me what strategy are they going to think about using? Jordani, tell me which one are you going to use? Are you going to use my first strategy or my second one, Jordani?
I will use the.
shout out to Layla. She went right back into
Okay,
Silent Scholar.
using the second one. So Jordani, next time I see your number stories, I want to see that second strategy.
Shout out to Hugo. He looks great.
Awesome
What is-
job.
Omar looks great
Nice
too.
job, Isabel.
Hamid, fold those hands.
Aisha's tracking. Aisha from Moniata's tracking. Nice job.
Okay, great. We're ready to move into the next